What are you gonna do? You gonna fight?
On the west side of town, but all in all, very, very nice. We saw these clouds over here throughout the evening hours, but then we start to cut loose of them. Tomorrow.
I saw it already.
She's so asleep.
Sun for several years. Now, luckily, supervolcanoes rarely erupt. However, the Long Valley supervolcano in California.
Come on. Come on. What's done is done, right? Liam and life goes on somehow.
Ouch.
Just don't stay there too long, Butch. Nice mother cake.
Maui, you need help?
Come on. Ever since Jim signed up for Lowe's personalized lawn care plan, he's been getting step-by-step.
Okay. So, banana.
Can I take my poster? Can I take my poster?
No.
Can I take my poster now? Okay, thank you.
One.
Cooper. Cooper.
Tucker, now listen, make sure you do your homework, okay? I love you.
You have to get away from her videotaping.
Oh, sorry.
She had her head out there a minute ago.
There is back. Now you can make anything, even a piece of home.
Sorry again. Sorry again. Sorry again, Daddy.
Tastes crunchy when we apply caramel and chocolate.
Right Twix has the same thing.
Don't let him fall. He's got a hurt paw, Dad. Oh, don't let him fall. Don't let him fall.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Tigger.
Oh, jeez. Oh my God!
Get in your bed.
You could pay no deductible at all. Sign up to immediately lower your deductible by
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Lukey, I'll help you. Here.
Oh my God, some of that.
Her stomach stays red. Oh, no wonder she's being attacked.
Or someone who's stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me, but to get.
Oh, I hope you do it now.
Should I save her?
Good job.
That's how you